Hello children, today we are going to learn two more concepts. One is tall short and long short. When we see an object in a standing position beyond certain height, we call it as a tall object. The opposite word of tall is short. The object in standing position below certain height is a short object. Now, let us see the examples to compare between tall and short objects. Here we see a tall giraffe. Now you see a rabbit short, a short rabbit. Here we see another example, a tall tree and a short plant. A tall tree and a short plant. I have one more for you, a tall building and a short hut. A tall building and a short hut. Here we have a tall ladder and a short ladder. Can you see children a red arrow? Yeah, that is pointing out the tall ladder. Yes, and the yellow arrow that points out the short ladder. So we have tall ladder and a short ladder. Similarly, we see a tall man and a short man. Can you see the red arrow pointing out the tall man and the yellow arrow pointing out a short man? Children, I hope you are clear with the concept of tall and short by seeing several examples. Right? Now you can just observe the objects around you, whichever is tall and short. You can also stand beside your mama or papa and see who is tall and who is short. Thank you. We will now continue with the concept of long and short. When we see the object in the sleeping position, we call it as a long object, and the opposite of long is also called as short. Yes, remember children, when we compare between long and short, the object you see will be in a sleeping position, or few objects when it is hanging, it is also called as a long object or a short object. Now let us compare between long and the short objects. Let's see few examples to learn the concept long and short.